Hello, ladies and gentlemen. 3 months after I did use Wet and Forget, this is the last time I'm doing this review. So as you can see, the last update, this is the area where I actually cleaned with the brush. So as you can see, those areas are totally clean tiles, and here are I think 6 rows that I did with Wet and Forget in a sprayer. The rest I used the Xtreme Reach. The verdict is it's not 100% clean, that's for sure. As you can see, I would call it 50% clean. My problem is that I don't have a patience to wait 6 months for the roof to get clean, because it's just me. If you really want to have results within a month or two, definitely that's not a product for you. If you have a patience, does it work? Looks like it does. So this area right here is a little bit darker, as you can see. It has been sprayed about a month ago. This area is getting a little bit cleaner, and see from this angle you can see this is totally clean because I used it, the brush. Is it looking better? Definitely yes. So definitely it does work. To what extent? I wouldn't call it really quick results. If you don't have patience like me and you want results within a month or two, you're not going to get a full results. So I guess what I'm gonna do is just clean it, because I live in association when they're not going to accept waiting 6 months for the roof to get clean. And unfortunately I also don't have that patience, and this definitely looks better, but if you want immediate results, unfortunately that's not the product. So thanks for watching, guys. Thank you for your patience. That's the last update on Wet and Forget with the sprayer was over here, and Xtreme Reach was over there. I have to also say that I've had rains within the last 2 weeks almost every single day, so I noticed that this does help a lot. When I used it first and there was rain maybe once a week, it was taking longer. So I guess it does work. It needs rain and you need a little bit of your patience. So this is how a clean roof should look like, and this pot is after 3 months of spraying Wet and Forget. So there's the difference between clean roof and a so-called or maybe semi-clean roof. So you decide. In the next video I'm gonna show you how you can seal your tiles and how you can get them clean in a matter of hours, not months. So thanks for watching, guys. Again, give me a thumbs up if you like my videos, tell me messages if you have some questions, and thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.